Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Face ID on iPhone. Alright, so if you are using an iPhone, you have an option to disable the Face ID or biometric authentication on iPhone Apple settings. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable your Face ID on iPhone. So first let's head on to the Apple website and let's see the privacy information on using biometric data. So let's head on to this link over here. So this is the official link of Apple that explains how your Face ID is being used. So here we have an entire article on Face ID and privacy. So to disable your Face ID on iPhone, what you need to focus on is the bottom of this page. So if you head on to the bottom of this page, it clearly mentions how you can disable your Face ID on iPhone. So here let's go to the bottom, and here you can see, if you read this sentence, if you don't want to use these features, you can go to settings, Face ID and password, and you can enter your password. Then you can disable your Apple Face ID feature. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to disable Face ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.